So, there's plenty of information online of the benefits of NetSuite Safe Searches. We even wrote an extensive guide on Safe Searches, which you can find on our website right now. The guide mentions exporting your Safe Search data externally to Google Sheets. But why? Why should you export your Safe Searches to Google Sheets? We're going to talk about the top 3 reasons you should be exporting your NetSuite data right now. Number 3, backups. Although it's rare because of NetSuite's dedicated data centers, preserving a backup of your Safe Searches is crucial if you ever need to restore data due to a system crash or data loss. That way, you always have a current copy of the data that can be quickly recovered if necessary by routinely exporting your Safe Searches. Number 2, deeper data analysis. Exporting the Safe Searches is great for performing a deeper analysis of the data outside of NetSuite. This lets you manipulate and visualize the data in various ways and produce unique reports that are tailored to your needs. And finally, number 1, enhanced reporting capabilities. By exporting your Safe Searches to Google Sheets, you can create thorough reports that will help you make more informed business decisions. The exported data can be used to examine patterns, spot opportunities, and monitor business development over time. For more information on exporting NetSuite Safe Searches, visit our new analytics page on our website. You'll find that link in the description below. For everything else and all things NetSuite, go to gurusolutions.com.